I'm Tim Desautels. This is Azad Chandler. We're the founders of Calgary Real Estate Wealth. We started this 17 years ago to help investors just like you guys buy rental properties.
Yeah, and we started it because we made a lot of mistakes. We need to be honest. We made a lot of money in real estate. We owned over 25 houses here in Calgary, and we went through some downturns. I think we went through around 3 downturns in 17 years. So we've actually seen the worst case. We've seen the worst case that could happen to us. We've had tenants cause troubles. We've had to evict tenants. We've bought the wrong properties. And we really were tired of seeing other people come to us for help that have made the same mistakes. So we actually went off and wrote 2 books. One's called 1 Million Reasons to Buy Real Estate. It's a free ebook, which we will share later on at the end of the presentation. And we wrote Fearless Real Estate, which I don't have a copy here today, but it's another book that we wrote. And we really want to go through and tell our story and tell the stories of our clients. And not only do that, but continue to run seminars. And we've been doing the seminars for many, many years. This is actually our 206th seminar to date. That's on Meetup. Tim and I used to be guest speakers for many investment groups that used to come around to Calgary on a tour. We used to be guest speakers. And so we decided that a lot of those other groups, Tim, was a lot of hype out there.
Yeah, we decided to focus on Canadian content and specifically Alberta content. So throughout the year when we give different seminars, and we have it in our course as well, we deal with subjects that are local and that you can apply right here. We have all kinds of topics dealing with every real estate investment strategy. We'll go through some of those near the end, but you know, whether it's buy and hold, whether it's flipping, whether it's wholesaling, whether it's agreements for sale, the BRRRR strategy, Airbnb, arbitrage, anything like that, we tailor it so that it works right here in Alberta.
Yeah, and we have guest speakers. I mean, in 2 weeks' time, we encourage you guys, our accountant's actually coming into the room and doing the session for us, and he goes over what you can write off as an investor, which I think everybody should know. We have our lawyer come in. We have Danielle, who is our mortgage finance expert. She's investment focused. She comes in as well. So there's many, many advantages. And guess what? To you guys out there, it's free. So please tell your friends and people at work. We want to get to 6,000 members as soon as possible. And why is it working, Tim? It's working because it's real. We're dealing with people. We're taking people. There's one fellow that I keep thinking about, Cole. He's on our Crew TV. You can actually go see the properties he bought.
He just got in the room.
Oh, you just Cole, I'm talking about you, man. So Cole came to us about 3 years ago. I don't even think it was 3 years ago. And he was renting a basement suite in Mount Pleasant. And since then, he bought a half duplex in Canyon Meadows. He bought another half duplex in Bowness. He bought his 3rd property in Bowness. And the guy has made, I think, calculating it all, over $250,000 just by following us. So can it work? It can definitely work. And we advise you to continue joining us, continue learning. And just by being around like-minded people, we found over the years, it helps you take action. And that's the most important thing. A lot of people can read these books, they can go online, you can find this material anywhere. But if you're on your own, it's very hard to move forward. And what we do a little different is we hand select each property with you, okay, and educate you why it's going to be successful. And then we take it the next step further, which is helping you get it rented and selecting the right people. And then we have, Tim, we have contractors or tradespeople in our circle that if any problem comes up, even if it comes down to accounting, or using a lawyer or a home inspector or just getting appliances. We've even worked out with our appliance company to work with tenants to go in and replace a dryer and connecting with tenants so I don't have to go down there. Things like that, Tim, make it very easy for investors to keep succeeding.
Yeah, and for example, this weekend I was down in Mackenzie Town with one of our contractors. A client has just bought a condo down there and she wanted to have it painted, have some carpet replaced and things like that. So she still hasn't taken possession yet, but we got into the condo, we're going in with the contractor, he's working out a quote, and then the day she takes possession, he can go in there and get all that stuff done. so that it's not off the rental market for any extended period of time. He can have all that work done within a week, and then the week later, bang, it's on the rental market, and she gets tenants in there.
Yeah, we've even gone as far as getting permission to get the place rented before we even own it. That's how far we'll go. And the reason why we do that is most people, when they buy, or everybody, when they buy a property, you pay your mortgage a month later. So if it's rented from day one, you're in front, you know, $2,000, $2,500 straight off the bat. And these little things, you know, that we've seen Tim work over the years just helps our clients keep growing their portfolio and getting to where they want to get to.
Okay, so enough about us.